This is a sound of love, my sister, my daughter, my friend. You're prepared. You've been processed, and now it's time for presentation. Don't worry, it's your time. Breathe in this moment and reflect on the experiences, and remember, you're not alone, but you're called to rest. You're called to rest. So trust. Trust and believe, because you are an emerging leader now. Though it feels like isolation, you have learned that it is insulation in the plan of God for your life, insulated from the distractions of your soul and in tune with the sound of His Spirit. You are okay, spirit, soul, and body. That's right, spirit, soul, and body. So just relax and allow yourself to be acquainted with what it feels like to be at rest. You are breaking the sound barriers within your soul. So mount up, soar like an eagle, having conquered soulish distractions. You've passed your test, accept elevation, and allow for the divine spiritual strategy and life choice to build it beyond. When things start getting shaky, just find God in it. You're used to doing that. Trust and believe, for this is your sound of love. Build it beyond, from a dream to a vision.